Oh, let's quickly measure the performance of DeepSeekR1 14 billion parameter large language model on RTX 3060 with 12 GB GDDR6 RAM. So let's quickly run this and observe the CPU memory and the GPU usage. GPU usage seems to be under control now. It's only 3%. Memory usage seems like, it's just getting increase here, on right side. CPU usage, central processing unit, I mean, just the processor looks good. GPU is 18%. Now let's ask some question here to the large language model and see how it performs. See, the inference speed is way faster because if you're gonna run this on any other system without GPU, this inference speed is gonna be very, very slow for you. But here you can see the concern is the GPU utilization is 96%, which is way higher, right? Memory is also shoot up for for system is 8.4, but rest looks good. It seems like 3060 RTX with 12 GB GDDR6 RAM is the best option to run the large language model with 14 billion parameter, which is having a 9 GB of size.